We are going to have the third round of the Home Chef Studio Cook-offs, and this is on Oriental food. And our sponsor, Switz, they've been a big supporter of the Home Chef Studio right from the beginning. They're also India's biggest producers of puff products. We've also thanking our sponsors, ITC Store, Indian, and Blue Elephant. And in fact, this round is going to be judged by the ambassador of Blue Elephant. And we're going to start right now. Chef Nooror Somany, she is like a brand ambassador of Thai food. And she's also the owner of Blue Elephant, who do some lovely sauces. I'm a big fan of her fish sauce. And Chef Nooror is going to judge the Oriental cooking round. And I'm going to introduce the participants as well. So we've got Debanjan Das here, who runs a cooking catering thing called Bhutu's Kitchen, which is Bengali dominant, but he does a lot of international food as well. And then we've got Bilkis Khan, and she's also going to do Oriental food today. We've got Rachna Prasad. She also does like a lot of Oriental food for our caterings and so on.
I think everyone will cook well because each one have different talent. So enjoy your cooking. As a chef, I'm very proud that Indian people love Thai food, and I also love Indian food. I think your food have different layers and taste, but Thai food have more aroma of kalanka, lemongrass, basil leaf, but you have a lot of dry spices. The new generation. From the root, they make a lot of espuma. They make a modern Thai cuisine. It's also good because I think the generation to generation, I think very important to become different. I have to follow young generation. Today I also, do kung fu. Kung fu is French technique. I have to learn on this thing, otherwise I too late to the young generation. So even I get older, I still have to learn more, cannot stop. The southern part, they love to eat curry with roti. Because in the old day, during King Rama V period, they serve the curry with the roti also. Because they have some influence by Indian, Malay, Muslim.
This is pork Thai rice. It's like a pot rice. It's with basil, and this is smoky chicken with coriander and kaffir lemon leaves. And this prawn with normal the Swiss rolls.
Salmon with coconut Thai curry, coconut cream, and these are the Swiss cracked salmon and shimeji mushroom crackers.
So this I have made barbecued lamb in a Chinese style, and this is chicken Thai curry, which is served with noodle. It's a chili garlic prawns stuff in those Swiss pastry.
We've got gifts from our associate sponsor, ITC Store, Switz, who'd also given the products for the cook-off.
And the winner is Bilkis Khan.